Mustang lovers are among the most rabid and devout Ford fanatics there are. And when you count Jack Roush and Carroll Shelby among your friends, you know the collection is hot. Buckle up, it's time for some horsepower. It's time for a journey around America in search of the hidden gems, rare finds, and unbelievable collections in the garages of the country's auto enthusiasts. Each week, Mike Phillips will lead us through the amazing, fascinating, and entertaining backstories that make up What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net. Today, Mike is in beautiful Jupiter, Florida, at the garage of entrepreneur Jack Miller.
Mike Phillips here with AutoGeek's What's in the Garage, and today I'm in Jupiter, Florida, and I hear behind these doors are a couple of really nice Mustangs. So let's knock on the door and see what's in the garage.
Hello.
Hi, my name is Mike Phillips. I'm with AutoGeek's What's in the Garage.
Oh, hey, Mike. Jack Miller.
I
Come on in.
I hear you got a couple nice Mustangs in here.
We got a few.
Let's check it out.
Okay.
Well, I'd say not only do you have a couple, you've got an actual stampede in here.
Yeah, I guess there's about 50 nice Mustangs in here, a few ponies.
Well, these are beautiful. I can't believe I've never seen so many Mustangs in one place.
Well, welcome. How about we take a little tour?
Let's take a tour. Do you mind if I take a couple pictures of them here?
Sure, go ahead.
Let's do it. Well, besides all these Mustangs, look at the Sunoco gas station you got here. What's the story?
Yeah, Mike, that's where we started in 1960, about 50 years ago. Right after I got married, I opened this little Sunoco station up in a little town outside of Philadelphia, Andalusia. And by the way, while we're here, we're passing by, we got a nice Shelby 2011 350. And that was especially made for me. It's serial number 350. And we're real proud of that car. But come on over and we'll show you a few things in the Sunoco station here.
I see the sign there by Carroll Shelby right there on the side.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the gas station where it all started.
This is where it all started. I think if you look at the gas pumps, gas was about $28.9. Today's price, I think, on a pump's $3.20. Was I correct? $28.9?
Yeah, you're right. It's 32 cents a gallon, 34 cents a gallon, 36 cents a gallon. Premium, 38 cents a gallon.
That's when Sunoco had the blends from 190 up to 260.
Wow.
And back in the day, the guys used to come in on Sunday, go into the drag strip, and we pushed a button and turn it up to 280 for them and give them a little more juice when they were going to the drag strip.
Wow. Well, that's really interesting. Hey, maybe I can top my car before I leave today.
In here, we got a few pieces, you know, that I'm proud of that we put in here. There's a cigarette machine here from the 1920s, and it's got the old packs of cigarettes in there, 15 cents.
Well, I see you got a couple of Corvettes here amongst all these Mustangs. What's the story with this? They don't really seem to fit in.
No, but we collected them a little bit, but as you notice, there's Jack working on one of them. They're in the repair shop. The Mustangs, we don't have to take care of them and fix them. We just got to wash them.
Hey, I'm a Chevy guy.
Yeah, but we got a few nice pieces here that I ran across. The story about this one goes with the gas station. When I had the gas station, the kid worked part-time for me, and he had a 54 Corvette. And so I saw this at an auction and bought it. And then we come past this nice 59 up. I buy things sometimes because I'm a number guy, a numerologist.
Sure.
And I was married in 59, graduated high school in 59, so that's one of the best 59 Corvettes around, restorations. We got a GT40 over here, a 205, and we just love it. I had one of my high school friends, Charlie, took him for a little ride one day, and he said he never went so fast. And Charlie scares some people once in a while when he takes them for a ride. You know, they got to put their buckles on.
Now, Charlie's your curator?
Yes.
So he's in charge of this baby and all these, pampering them.
Charlie takes care of all the cars, cleans them, washes them.
And gets to drive them.
Oh, yeah.
Well, what do we have right here? This is a classic Ford.
Yeah, I think that's a 56.
It's a Sunliner, isn't it?
No, 56 Fairlane Sunliner convertible.
Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. What I really like here is you've got the old drive-in style speaker stand with the speaker actually in there as though they're in the drive-in.
Yeah, that brings back memories.
Yeah.
That's where we used to go when we were kids, in the drive-in.
The stainless steel trim is just immaculate. The paint's immaculate. It's a convertible.
You got a 57 here right behind it.
We're going to take a break right now, but we'll be right back to check out more of Jack's cars.